My name is Sinead. I'm a data center engineering operations manager and I've been with AWS for about 2.5 years now. Before joining AWS, I didn't know a whole lot about the data center industry. I came from a mechanical engineering background and had worked solely in the energy industry since qualifying from university. In my previous role, I had become aware that the data center industry was growing in Ireland in particular, and knew that it was a growth area. There was a lot of opportunities for development and progression. So looked into it a little bit further and decided it was an exciting opportunity or an industry to get into. My team managed the on-site operations of our AWS data centers. They're responsible for making sure that the data centers remain powered, the cooling is running as planned in our data centers so that computing power and customer traffic runs unimpeded through our data centers. So if you're operating a service that runs through AWS or an app that runs through AWS, that your service continues to run unimpacted 24/7 without interruption. My most memorable moment since I joined AWS was the lead up to Prime Day last year and the previous year. With Prime Day in particular, everybody has a combined sense of purpose. All teams pull together in the lead up to Prime and on the day to make sure that end result, Prime Day, is a success for our customers. That combined sense of purpose during Prime Day was the most memorable moment I've had since joining AWS. I wish people knew that we have huge investment in diversity, equity and inclusion in AWS. There's no shortage of affinity groups, support groups, initiatives that are running constantly to raise the bar and make sure that we are getting the most out of the teams that we have, bringing in diverse range of thought and thinking and constantly looking to broaden the base of the talent pool that we attract into AWS. The thing I love most about Dublin is the buzz in Dublin around the tech industry in particular. Amazon have a huge position in the city centre here in Dublin, other tech companies as well, so there is definitely a buzz around the tech industry. There's always events going on and new and exciting things to go see and visit. So for someone looking to build a career in the tech industry, Dublin really has